Welcome to the aspect of this tutorial. Now today's tutorial we shall be looking at the menu bar. We are going to start exploring the menu bar from the file menu, the layout menu, the view menu, the object menu, the bitmap menu, all the sub command in that menu bar that will use them in conjunction with the tools box to get our graphic job done. We shall be looking at all of them. Do well to watch to the end of this video, and as you watch, if you have not subscribed to our channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit the notification button so that you'll be updated whenever we have new content. So let's get started.
Ctrl E. Now, because I select that place I want to export, I can say only the selection. Select the name you want to export it. Select the name you want to export it as. Then click select the file extension. Are you exporting it as PNG? PNG is portable network graphic where your work don't have a background. It's transparent, no background. That is where PNG is recommended. You can also use PNG where there is background. It's your choice. But it is recommended to use where your work is without background, to use PNG in order to maintain the file nature without background. So because if your file is not having background, you export as JPEG, white background will be forced in that exported work. So we are going to select JPEG. You can either go for JPEG or you go for any of these file extensions as the case may be. You can do that as the case may be. Now we have JPEG here already. Where you have select the file extension, you click on export. When you click on export, the next thing you are going to do in this export is to leave it on this high quality the way it is. Now you are going to click OK. This thing is supposed to show a preview here, but because this size I'm trying to export is a very big size, if not because of the capacity of this PC, this software would have been hanging. Now you can see it's even display. This is 4x7 feet banner, 4x7 feet, and it even display. That's huge. Now it is because of the capacity of the laptop that display. Now when this display show, you click OK. Now go to your directory where you save it to. I'm going to this other document, right? So if you go to your directory where you save it to, now you will see that work was selected and be exported. Let's wait for the work to come on place. Let's scroll up. Still loaded. This is it here. You can see it. Now if you click, if you copy this one to your phone, now this is just like picture now, an image. If you copy it to your phone, anybody can view it. You can send it to anybody, maybe your customer, for a preview of what you have designed, for any further editing, any further correction. You understand? This file is not a big size file. It's 4x7 feet. That is why it's taking time to display. If not because of the capacity of the system, it will not even display at all in the nearest time. You can see we have this thing now as image, as simple as that. So that is that on that aspect. Now let's quickly continue in the other command we have there. Now in the other command we have export for. We have export for Office, export for web, export for WordPress. Then we have multiple files. When you click on this export for Office, it is solely PNG file. Exporting this file as a PNG file. That is, if there is no background, the whole background will be transparent. Now you can see it's completely PNG. Now we can click on OK. Then it will take us where do we want to save this work to. We can as well save it to our document, just OGH. You can see we have two different files. The one we export as JPEG, which is JPG, and the one we export as Office file, which is PNG file. You can see the both of them The both of them have different name and different file extension, and of course they have different dimension and different size, and the quality, remember, will also differs based on the file extension we use. That is that on that aspect. Now we have export for web. This export for web help you to export it in a GIF file. We call it GIF file, PNG file, or JPG file. It depends on whatsoever thing you want to export it for, as the case may be. You can put it on PNG, you can put it on original, you can put it on JPG, or whatsoever file format you want to put it. You understand? That is export for web. It's also all about exporting of your work. Now the next thing you have to do is send. Is it for Bluetooth transfer, compress zip, which we don't recommend sending to fast or me recipient, sending online here. Don't recommend that from here. Now one of the most important aspects now is publishing. If you want to make this file, now you can make this file become PDF through this export, but that's not the best way. You can see that there is PDF here, Adobe Portable Document.
If you have been watching our video, if this is your first time of watching our video, you just come across our video for the first time and you have not subscribed, if you got value for any of our video or the video you are currently watching now, please subscribe. That is the only way you can encourage us to put more effort and have more content which we believe you will benefit better. So please subscribe. It is free. You don't need to pay money. Just hit the subscription button. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever we have any content, you will be notified. And as you do, God bless you.
Document or file. You can see there is PDF there, but that is not the best way to publish your work to PDF. If you have to publish your work to PDF, come outside there. This is the best place to publish your work to PDF. Click on it. When you click on it, you are going to click on the setting here. Which page? In this document is telling us that this current document will have 5 pages. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a current document. If you want that current print you are working with alone to be on PDF, you say current frame. If you want to handpick the pages you are publishing this as document, you need to click on frame, which you are going to see. Maybe I say page 1, let's say page 2, comma, page 4, comma, maybe page 5. That is, you are printing page 2, jump page 1, page 3. We are printing this. The quality of the work, do you want it where you say web? It means you are compressing the size, though there will also be quality of the work, but the size will be compressed. We do this, we put it on web when we are normally uploading the file on a website. Like most of these recruitment or application website that will require lower size, they will tell you, okay, you need to have the attachment of so detail in PDF format, but the size should not be more than this, it should not be more than this. When you put it on this web, it will do the whole work for you. You don't need to be looking for website or solution online that you help to compress your software. In fact, CorelDRAW is the best to compress it. Where you put it on web, it will compress it to the smallest minimum size that any compressor cannot even give you. So we are going, and the best thing is that it will still maintain the quality. Now we are going to click on OK. Then we'll select the location we are saving the work to, and we'll click save. We'll click save. It has been saved. It has been saved already. Can see the work has been saved, but not fully up, because the whole of the 3 page cannot just be this 720 something kilobyte I'm seeing. I believe it's 720. Now you can see these are big banner. You can see the way the quality is still retained. The size, these are big banner. This one here is 4 by 6 feet. this one here is 1 feet by I think 1 feet by 10, 1 by 10 feet. This one here, that is 1 from up to the height is 1 feet, while from this place to this place, no, it's 12 feet, not 9 feet. From the left to right is 10 feet, I'll be 11 feet, I think so. Then coming to this one is 3.5 by 7 feet, and you can see, just look at the size. Imagine you are putting A4 document, the size will be something small. You can look at the size, is put it wide on JPEG, just only 1 page of the work is even giving us 8.26 megabytes. But this one here, that is PDF, 3 good pages, because we use that auction web, it reduces it to 729 kilobytes, which is not even up to 1 MB at all. And when you have A4 document, it will not even up to this file size when you set it to this. So that is how we do that, as simple as that. So you can select if you want quality. When you click on publish, if you want quality, always use document distribution if you want the best quality out. Though this WordPress does not reduce quality, but it varies with document to document. It is your document, the one that does not have quality. And again, if you put it with WordPress or web, it might bring it a little bit that it will be viewable that the quality reduce. So if you want the best quality, just select document distribution, web publishing, and that is that on that aspect. The next we are going to do is printing. Printing is a situation that helps us to convert a soft copy file to a hard copy file. It helps us to convert soft file to hard file. From the visual aspect of electronic flow and system, it can be converted to a hard copies that can be used in any way that suit us. Now you can click on that print and select. Now you see the list of all your printers. I don't have any printer now installed here. This is my personal laptop. I don't use this, normally use it for business like printer. I only use it when I'm at home. I have an urgent order, just like the way I designed the obituary banner there. It's some days ago, I think 3 days ago. So the way I do all those design, they are urgent, something I need to meet up with. You understand? So I can easily use my laptop from home to do the design. Then when I get to shop, I can easily copy using Flash to the other host of the system to print. So you can select the printer you want to print. You have the list of your printer, you select, then you go under this setting, which according to your printer there are different the setting varies with the printer you are using. So you can select any of the size. A4, like my printer, which is conical minota, it allows custom use of size. For instance, I can print anything of any size, be it very long. I can, just for me to set the size, I can set custom size that is very long, that is even way bigger than A4 and A3, as the case may be. It might maintain the length, but the height, the width, it might maintain the width, but the length or the height, I can make it even longer times 2 of A3, depending on whatever thing I'm printing using conical minota. You understand? But just like you can see, like this default printer drivers that come with this Windows, you can see that it does not allow anything like custom size. You can only select from the predefined size that are here. You have to select. If it is your machine that allow custom size now, like this one now, I can easily edit this thing and the size will change. Is it 44 by this? You can see it have changed to custom, which means it's allow custom size. but you must have to select before you change the size. Now which page are you printing? Is it current document, that is from page 1 to page 5, or current page only page 5, or pages where you'll be able to specify maybe you want to print page 1, you want to print page 3, you want to print page 4, no page 2, no page 5. And you can now say, in this setting also have the place to set color, but there is no way we can set color whether it's black and white. This printer doesn't have that, this printer driver doesn't have that capability. But in any other printer you have, whether you are printing colored or black and white, you are printing from tray 1, tray 2, tray 3, tray 4, or bypass, this are location where paper are found, where you have load the type of paper you want to print. Is it take 1, take 2, take 3, plain paper, special paper? These are different types of paper selection we use when printing. You understand? So you can, when you are done, you can click on apply and come to print preview. In this print preview now, you can see based on the size you have set, this is the only place that will be printed. You can say fit to page, everything that you have designed will be fit to this size. You can see the way this thing is very tiny down there. It's only the portrait you can see. They are very tiny because that is not the actual size, the work they are supposed to be printed. We can zoom it out so that you can see that.
All our old-time viewer or the new viewer, if you have been watching our content to this extent and you watch to the end, make sure you check the next part of this video for continuation. Or if this is the first video in this graphic design journey that you are just watching, make sure you check our previous video from the beginning of the class or the tutorial so that you understand it. And as you do, make sure you subscribe. Thank you.